Hey, this is Rick and welcome back to another DIY tip and installation. Has this ever happened to you? The handle on your toilet is broken and now it's non-functional, or the wand that goes in there that pulls up the plunger is broken. Over time the water has actually eroded that plastic and it's broke it, and then your toilet will continue to run, or the handle will get stuck, or like this, it's just broken and it's getting stuck in the upright position. This is my new little buddy King. King seems to be interested in this project. All right, buddy. So even with my medical issues, this is a project that I should be able to handle and other people should be able to handle. So you go to your local big box store, whether it be Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, maybe even Walmart, and you pick up one of these. It's a tank lever in whatever finish you want. You can get it in chrome, you can get it in white, you can get it in off-white, like a beige, I guess. This is supposedly corrosion resistant and has a bendable arm, so you can bend it in there to where the says it fits all toilets. Includes Kohler, Mansfield, Aquasorts, American Standard, and other brands. It's made by the Keeney Manufacturing Company. Does have the instructions. You're going to pull the old lever out, which is exactly what we're going to do. So that lever's got to go. My wife's been on me, and my day is feeling a little bit better today, so I'm going to go ahead and try to install this. Pretty simple and explanatory. It's got a lock nut on the back of the old one. Maybe I can show you that. And that'll be this guy right here. You're going to go ahead and you're going to put your wrench on there. It could be a crescent wrench, pair of pliers, just something you can get on there with. And that's going to come off counterclockwise. Loosen it up. A quick little tip in the trades, we call it lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. That's the way they do it, so that it will lock up against the mechanism. And you're going to take that out. Where it slides off there. You're going to disconnect your chain here. And don't everybody get all freaked out about the tank water in here. This doesn't have anything to do with any of the human waste that comes out of the toilet. This is actually tank fill-up water. And don't use any of those tank cleaning tablets or anything. They destroy the mechanisms on your flush valve and on the flappers. And they make a mess. So you're just going to tilt that sideways. After you pull that nut off, you're going to tilt that sideways and then pull it right through. And there you go. There's the old one. And this has been installed since the toilet was here. This is by Gerber. And you can see the discoloration in it. And it's just broken. It could be the sun beating in this room, in this bathroom. It made it brittle, but it just snapped. And that's a pretty hard plastic. So we'll get rid of that. And we'll take our new lever out. Okay, so now that you've taken it out of the package, this is what it looks like. Pretty much the same. Take that nut and slide it off. Now keep in mind, it's going to be going this direction. If you go the other way, it starts to screw up. So you want to take it off this way. Slide that nut off completely. And we're going to slip it right through there again, like we took the other one out. We're going to take that locking nut, going to slide it back on this way. And keep in mind, it's a reverse thread, so you're going to just go ahead and slide it right back on there. And screw it up tight. Now don't mash it real tight, just snug it. A little downward pressure, and that's nice and tight. Got a little play in there to move around. But keep in mind that's plastic, so don't run it up too tight, you'll snap it. Go ahead and take your pull chain, pull it back up. Now I have a little hook on mine. I'm going to put it right in that groove where I had it. That. Now when we depress the handle here, see the flapper goes up and it seats right back down. So now we have a nice functioning handle again. Well, hey, that's my quick video and tip. I hope you liked it. Please share with your friends. Subscribe. That subscribe button will be down here in the corner. Click that. You never know what kind of video I'm going to come up with next. Thanks again for watching, and take care.